Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock the eggplant seed in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Eggplant is one of the seeds in Heartopia, and if you want to unlock the seed, you need to reach level 8 in your gardening hobby. After you reach level 8, you can go to Bologangs and you're going to visit his gardening store and you can purchase the eggplant right here. This one, and it costs 135 golds. I'm going to purchase 10. Okay. And then I'm going to go back to my house guys and plant the seed. Okay guys, I've already planted the eggplant in my garden, but it still needs 4 hours to harvest. If I'm not mistaken, the seed needs 7 hours or 5 hours. I don't really remember. Needs several hours to harvest, so you need to wait a little longer for the eggplant. Okay guys, and that's how we can unlock the eggplant seed in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.